Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really cute Japanese style purse. With this easy pattern, it is very simple to make adjustments for any size you like. The bag measures about 9.5 inches by 11 inches and the base is about 7.5 inches. You can find the link to the written pattern in the description box. I use cotton yarn for this project. This is a number 4 medium yarn, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. Each one is about 70 grams, which is 109 meters long, and you'll need 2 or 120 grams of yarn, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle. The links to the material is in the description box. Lastly, this is my crochet ring. With this, I can crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It helps to protect my finger when I crochet so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a magic circle. Once you have the magic circle made, 2 chains. 1, 2, and this counts as a stitch. In the magic circle, place 7 half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. That's 1. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, last one, 7. To close the circle, pull the tail. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the top of the 2 chain. That's 1, 2, this one. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 2 chains. This always counts as a stitch. In the seam stitch, place a half double crochet. Increase in the next stitch, so 2 half double crochet on this stitch. 1, 2. Increase. On this round, place 2 half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 16 stitches, and I meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch on the top of the 2 chain. Two chains. 1, 2. On the next stitch, increase. So 2 half double crochet. That's 1. 2. Half double crochet. Increase. Half double crochet. Increase. And this is the repeat. By the end of the round, there will be 24 stitches, and I meet you on round 4. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the top of the 2 chain. 2 chains. 1, 2. Half double crochet into the next stitch. increase, half double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, increase, repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 32 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the top of the 2 chain, 2 chains, half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then increase, half double crochet into 3 stitches, increase, and this is a repeat. By the end of the round, there'll be 40 stitches. So far, we're making increase rounds, and each round we're increasing by 8 stitches. I will not go on to show you on every round, but you can check the numbers on the screen. You may stop increasing at any round you like, and I stopped after 11 rounds with 88 stitches. My base measures about 7.5 inches. To begin round 12, slip stitch, then 2 chains, and this always counts as a stitch. And we're going to add 1 more chain, so total 3 chains. Skip 1, half double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, half double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1, half double crochet, and this is a repeat. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 44 half double crochet stitches, and I'll meet you on round 13. To begin round 13, skip the last stitch and slip stitch into the top of the 2 chain. In the chain space, place a single crochet, 1 chain. In the next chain space, single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, 1 chain, and repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there'll be 44 single crochet stitches, and I meet you on round 14. The last stitch on round 13 is single crochet, 1 chain. To begin round 14, slip stitch into the first stitch and slip stitch into the chain space, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, skip the single crochet stitch. In the next chain space, half double crochet, 1 chain, half double crochet into the 1 chain space, 1 chain, half double crochet into the 1 chain space, 1 chain, and this is a repeat. From here, repeat the last 2 rounds, round 12 and round 13, for as many times as you like. I stopped when my bag reaches about 5 inches tall, and from here, we're going to begin the next part of the pattern. Slip stitch to join the round, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, In the first chain space, half double crochet, 1 chain, half double crochet into the chain space, 1 chain. We're doing this until we have 6 half double crochet stitches. And now I have 6 half double crochet stitches including the chain stitch. 1 chain and turn. Single crochet into the chain space, 1 chain, repeat 3 times into the last chain space. In the last chain space, single crochet and single crochet into the top of the 2 chain, which is right here, so no 1 chain. And we still have 6 single crochet stitches. Repeat the last 2 rounds until it is about 6 inches tall. Make sure your last round is the half double crochet round. Cut yarn. I count 12 half double crochet stitches from the first stitch. The second handle is the repeat of the first handle. From the 6 half double crochet stitches over here, count 10 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is how far apart from the first handle is. 10 half double crochet stitches. Then count 6 half double crochet stitches. And this is where the second handle is. But the starting point is the next stitch. So the 17th half double crochet stitch from the first handle. Insert yarn, tie a knot, turn the bag so that it is closer to you because we're working counterclockwise. This way. From here, insert the hook, 3 chains, and repeat exactly what we did on the first handle. And the reason we're starting on the 17th half double crochet stitch is because the holes on the outside are larger than the ones on the inside, and we want the second handle to match the first one. Once the strap is about 10 inches long, cut yarn, fold it in half, and stitch it right next to the first stitch. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!